First of all, the abdominal brace. What is it? You've got your rectus abdominis here, you've got your obliques here. This is known as the abdominal wall. When we brace this area, we contract these muscles. Now that doesn't mean when we suck it back to our navel. That's not a brace. That doesn't stabilize the spine. That doesn't really do anything. A brace, if we take our fingers and we sort of just gently push them into our obliques, when we brace our abdominals, what should happen is it should push the fingers back out, and they should go nice and solid. So it should be pretty solid from all the way on the outside, all the way into the middle. So we've got the abdominal brace, we understand what it is, we understand the muscles that need to work, we understand what it's not that hollowing, sucking of the navel towards the spine, it's not that doesn't really do anything. What we're now going to do is we're going to look at the different types of brace, because when people talk about we shouldn't do a brace, what they're generally doing is they're talking about the wrong brace at the wrong time. So if you hear people say, don't hold your body rigid, don't brace your abdominals, that generally means when you're stood up, when you're moving around, when you're picking up a light weight, as I'm about to describe, then you don't need to hold everything solid. You can relax a little bit more. But when it comes to the much heavier brace, that is the time to then really hold it tight. So we need to be able to understand what brace to use and when to use it. And in some respects, we need to understand the low back pain that we have as well when we come to it. But most of those types of questions will be answered if you do the online consultation and coaching. What we're going to do now is we're going to look at the light brace with that 8 kilo kettlebell.